He sucked it in, oh.
Yep, keep coming. There's another boat coming off the dock.
All right, guys, welcome to Gold Coast Boat Ramps. We are on the scene right here. We are actually going to be picking up. We're going to be picking up a big boat, 7 meters, something like that. It's going to be one of those sun dancers. I forget what the name of the boat is.
Bayliner.
A Bayliner boat. And me, myself, I've got my mate's car and trailer, and I'm actually going to be driving and ramping up the boat for the first time. First time. So I don't know what I'm doing. I heard that if you want to go left, you go right. And if you want to go right, you go left. The boat's broken down. One of the people, they got the jet ski, driving the jet ski, and they're towing the boat over here, and I'm the trailer boy.
You're like trailer boy.
Fun. Gold Coast Boat Ramps. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more of these calamities.
Here we've got someone who's doing it by himself. He's just parked his trailer up and he's now pushing his boat out. Let's see him do it by himself. So Captain's got the helm. Someone's cold. And he's pushing it out.
He's just gonna shove it in there.
He's gonna shove it in.
Shove it in.
He's doing it by himself.
He's latching it on.
He's got his winch and he's just gonna winch it up. And that is how you do it solo.
He sucked it in, oh. He's almost done it.
Just leveling it up now. Getting his poles in the right position.
He doesn't have poles.
There he goes. He's winding up just like that.
All right, I'm gonna get in there. They can see the marina, so I'm gonna go pick them up.
You're good to back up? Yeah, back up straight, but then start taking a right. Start turning, start turning, start turning. Start turning. I'm going to jump out and have a look. Okay, not too aggressive. Yep. Fix up your car from the front. Fix the car from the front because I want you just to take a little bit. You're going to veer into the pavement, so you want to go a little bit more to your right if you can. Yeah, if you can, then just reverse back straight. But hold the right a bit more. Stop. There's someone on the boat ramp. So just park up, I guess. There's another boat coming off the dock. And we've got the cap inside. We've got the trailer coming down. There's good instructions.
And that boat is annoying because he took my slot. I started backing in to get that slot and he just shoved himself right in, came out of the roundabout out of nowhere.
But, you know, it's probably not a bad thing because your friends aren't even here yet.
Yeah, but I hope he gets scraped. Actually, you know what? It's probably for the best. That's what to watch.
Yeah, and you'd be here forever.
He's got a bit of wheels on the road, but he hasn't hit the rims. He's free. He's done it. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Yep, keep coming.
Alright, so as you can see, I'm backing up now and I'm actually turning the wheels slightly to the left because I'm just straightening up the car. So just ever so slowly. It's my first time, so I'm just taking it nice and slow. And please, can you just get out my way? I can't really see where you are. Just budge up. Just go back a bit, please. I'm trying to reverse.
Just go straight back.
Woman, I'm trying to reverse. You're in my way. Just get out my way. You're holding a baby. Please, I'm just trying to reverse the car. I'm straightening up the car. Just keep backing away. Okay, I don't want to hit you or the baby.
Hey, he's doing well. Straight.
Yeah, I know that. Obviously, just go straight. I'm just straightening up the car now. Just turning right so I can move the trailer a bit more back.
Ash, just go straight back. You're doing really well.
I know. Just get out my way.
Go straight back.
I don't want to run you over. Jeez. Okay. Let's.
Stop. Now go straight with your car.
Yeah, I know. Straighten up the car. Thank you.
Straighten the car
Yeah.
out.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, keep going back straight. Perfect.
I don't want to run you over. Just can you back up? Thank you.
Keep coming back. Straighten up. Straighten up.
Yep. As you can see, my wheels are turning right, and I'm trying to just get the car back into the dome again. You see the trailer.
Straight.
You can see the trailer's now centering up. Thank you for backing up. Thank you. I really appreciate it. And just going nice and slow, trying to go around the curve. I want to get a nice little turning arc, so when I do back into the boat ramp, I'm safe.
Now you want to start going this way.
Which way's this way? Are you saying go left? Okay, so I'm going to turn it right.
This way.
Left, you mean? Port or starboard?
Keep coming.
Right, anyway, I'm turning the wheels right so I can arc and make the trailer turn left. So you can see the car is now reversing and it's now turning to the boat ramp. Do I have enough space or I'm going to hit that pole? I think I should be okay.
Keep coming. You're doing really well.
Yeah, just trying to not hit that pole. Just going to go straight and wait to pass the pole and then we should be good. Alright, there's a jet ski in the boat. We're almost there.
Yeah, just go back.
Alright, going back. Following the boss's instructions.
Doing really well.
Thank you.
Keep going
Thank
back.
you. Will do. Going back.
Keep going
You
back.
sure? It looks like I'm going to be on the edge of that ramp. Are you sure? Oh,
Pull it forward and go more to the left. Oh, because I'm trying to stop you from going off the edge.
Wait.
You're on the edge over there. I'm saying go forward and yeah. Because there's like a small ramp. It's just like a tiny ramp. So go forward
You
and
have to go right to go left.
yeah, I know.
No, left, I need to go right.
Yeah. So do the opposite of what I'm saying. Just go straight back. You're doing really well. That's it. You're almost there. Yep. Perfect. Now just turn it a little bit that way. Do a full. What's that? Left hand down. Ian said do a full lock, left hand down. Yeah. Left hand down, he said. I don't know. Basically, you're just going to come off the edge of the ramp, so you want to take more on that side if you can.
I don't understand what this is.
Okay, you want to push the trailer more onto the right side, if that makes sense.
So which way do you take? Go left or something?
Okay, I mean, that could work. Yeah, keep going back. Keep going back. Straighten up now. And they said right hand down. Yep. Go the other way, opposite way, Ash. Opposite way. Left hand. Yep. Keep going back. Yeah, just keep going back. Just go back.
Alright, we made it. Whew, that was close. Happy we are in the water. I'm making sure that the car's wheels are not in the water, just the trailer's wheels. And we got help from a Whitley crew. Obviously, they're experienced boaters. They're in and out on this thing in a jiffy. So he was just waiting around for 30 seconds. It felt like a lifetime to him, so he jumped to help out. Make sure we got off the boat ramp as quickly as possible. Wants to find another fishing spot. Thank you very much for the help tying up the boat. I would have jumped in, but I figured, why get my trainers wet? Might as well just enjoy the show, feel that air of achievement, the mission successful accomplishment. I feel like I've done something with my life. And look, the car's wheels are not on the water, so there would be no rusting or corrosion happening here. We did it. We did it, my man. We did it. Alright, let's motor out the water. We've got the captain there just drying up, and we are officially towing a boat. It's the first boat I've ever towed in my life.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Smell the air of goodness. We did it. Celebrations. We're happy. Hope you guys found this amazing.
You did well.
Success! Give me your reaction.
All right, guys, mission accomplished. We managed to do it. I think it was fun. I got the whole going right to go left. The only thing is, you go right a little bit and then you got to center it and settle it. And sometimes when you go right, you got to go left to make it go around the curve. It's a bit confusing, but you do get a hang of it. I ended up, because I was getting lots of directions from the boss. Hello, boss.
One thing I will say is that the big captain said that was the smoothest he's ever had it. And last time they did it, the trailer wasn't actually attached to the boat, so they ended up pulling the trailer out and the boat went boop. So he was like, that was actually the most uneventful time that they've ever towed their boat and their jet ski.
Oh, it was a three-man team. Yes, I was really lucky. I had my tag team partner here, so he was just telling me to go right. And when I said go right, do you mean turn the steering wheel right, or do you mean go right? Because when I was going right, the wheels were pointing left, because she didn't understand that you got to go right to go left, or left to go right. So it's a bit of a mishmash, but in the end we had a little chit chat, we understood what was going on, and we managed to do it. We got it on the water, he jumped out, tucked it in, I drove it out, he just spun it around there. I don't think I want a trailable boat. Don't want to do this again.
Me either. What a headache.
Alright guys, we're gonna see if we can trailer another boat, this time in a Tesla Model Y. Let's go. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show. Gold Coast boat ramps. Yeah. He's hooked it in. Oh.
Yep, keep coming. There's another boat coming off the dock.